So here's how to install AnyDesk on your PC or laptop. First, you need to open the browser and then go to anydesk.com and then click on download now. And you can choose your platform from here and it will start downloading. Now click on the installer and it should bring up this window right here. Now we will simply need to click on this pink box here, install AnyDesk, and accept and install, then confirm, and it should start installing AnyDesk. Now AnyDesk is restarted and you should be prompted with this window. Would you like to install this device? So this is for printers. Apparently you can install it or don't install it however you like. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.